Charlie 169, runway 26 left, flying flat and wait. Right turn Alpha 8, straight to the ramp. This frequency, you can contact ground point 73 outbound if you got one.
Commerce Bank 1.
Our jet speed 78 is on the visual for 26 left.
Jet speed 78, straight tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land on 26 left, jet speed 78.
Clear wings 825, straight tower, you ready to go?
We are ready to go, clearing 825.
Papa runway 26 right, clear touch and go.
3700, clear touch and go.
Papa runway 26 right, clear touch and go, number 2.
Runway 26 right, number 2, full stop, 7100 Papa.
Tower clearing 825, we are clear to go, ready to go.
Clearing 825, roger. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 26 left, clearing 825. And Tower 1036, we are ready in sequence 26 left.
10136, clear tower, roger. Track 444, extend down, I'll call your base, you're following Gulfstream traffic, 5 mile final.
I will extend our down, like track 444. I'm following that traffic.
First notch.
Left, track 444.
Select out 169, contact St. Louis departure.
Over departure now, select at 1692.
Yeah. Clear wing 825, contact St. Louis departure.
Archer clearing 825.
Clear track 444, the Gulfstream traffic you're following is on a 2 mile final.
I got the traffic inside, clear track 444.
Clear track 444, roger, base to follow that traffic, runway 26 left, clear to land, number 2. That's on 10136, continue holding short, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, I got 2 landing, and I'll get you out.
Alright, continue holding 26 left, 136.
So 10 Sierra Papa, roger, runway 26 right, clear to land, you're number 1 now.
Straight clear to land number 1, thanks, Sierra Papa.
Alright, full flaps.
Speed 78, we're parking.
On a signature.
Speed 78, roger, road turn Alpha 8, and
Well, feels good. I did it finally. First solo, so big step, big moment. And there she is, 305 Romeo Sierra. Her pick me up, so feels great. So now I guess the real work starts, but definitely a nice big milestone in getting the pilot's license. So cool, very happy, a lot of fun.